Have you suffered an injury that threatens to stop you from playing your sport or doing your exercise? I'm Dr. David Geier, orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine expert. I want to help you become stronger than ever. I'll give you information on the injury treatment, and injury prevention that will help you return stronger than you ever were before. I've been working with athletes and active people like you in my practice for over a decade. I've worked with some of the top professional athletes and high school and college athletes, kids who play sports at the youth or the club level, and adults who just play sports for fun and exercise for health. Through my YouTube channel, That's Gotta Hurt with Dr. David Geier, I'll give you the information that you need in easy to understand language that will help you win at your sport or exercise. Whether that's through my weekly Ask Dr. Geier videos, I talk about a number that potentially suggest you might have a bad injury. And one of those is your knee is swollen. Now, you can have a little bit of swelling in your knee that may or may not be a big deal. But when you've got a lot of knee swelling, it's swollen like a volleyball or basketball, there aren't many normal reasons for that to happen. My injuries and surgery videos,
and I'm using a probe to sort of guide it in place, get the orientation right. You'll see me fully seat the bone plug and the graft right there. You see the bone plug in the femoral tunnel and the tendinous portion, the middle third of the patella tendon.
And even my monthly Ask Dr. Geier live videos.
All right, Leslie, I twisted my ankle about 3 months ago. It still swells a lot. It's painful at times. How can I speed up the healing process?
I know I can help you return stronger than ever before after an injury. But that's just my day job. I also like to do fun things and take on challenges. Lately, I've been trying some of the crazy treatments that some of the top professional athletes use to excel at their sports.
But it's not even started yet.
It has started.
Okay.
Make sure you rotate periodically. You don't want the jets to isolate for too long. That's how burns can happen.
I've been in here maybe 3 minutes and it's already really hot. So I see where this could be a challenge for 30 minutes. They tell you to try not to think about anything, but I don't know exactly how you do that. And most of all, I'm a huge sports fan. My son and I are huge fans of the English Premier League, the NFL, college football, and the NBA. And we also play fantasy football and fantasy Premier League. I love talking about those sports and those leagues and the teams in them and the injuries that occur in those sports. I can give you the information that you need about injuries among your favorite players so that your team, you understand what they're going through, and so that your fantasy football team can be stronger than ever.
Now, Wentz has been telling everybody he's targeting a week 1 return. I think that's unlikely because, honestly, I just don't think he'll look as good as he normally does. He's a running quarterback. Throws a lot, but he's a lot more mobile than, say, Tom Brady. Will he have that same agility and ability to change directions? It's hard to say. I think this is going to be a long recovery. I think it's going to take him a long time before he looks like he did before. So from a fantasy football perspective, I think I'd pass on him.
You can see my video schedule down below. So join me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whether it's an injury that you have, or maybe one of your family members has, or it's an injury of a player on one of your favorite sports teams, or on one of your fantasy teams, I can help you become stronger than ever.